Sydney, the Opera House, the Harbour Bridge, 60,000 years of stories, and you haven't heard a single one. Crowded Harbour Cruises, a bus tour that stops for 4 minutes at the Opera House and ticks the rocks off a checklist. Sydney's story goes 60,000 years deep, and you got 40 minutes. Uvamai Sydney's self-guided audio tour gives you 12 of the city's most iconic landmarks, from Central Station and the Rocks to the Opera House and the Royal Botanic Garden, with expert audio narratives that unlock 60,000 years of Aboriginal heritage, convict history, colonial daring, and modern Australian identity. For just $6, your private access link arrives directly to you, professional audio guides, and an interactive map, ready when you are. No group, no schedule. Sydney at your pace for up to 6 days. Stand at the Sydney Opera House and finally hear the full extraordinary story of how Jorn Utzon's design, rejected, fought over, and nearly canceled, became the most recognized building on Earth. Walk into the Rocks and discover what Sydney looked like before the towers, the convict streets, the sailors' taverns, the plague quarantine, and the birth of Australia. Wander the Royal Botanic Garden and hear 60,000 years of Gadigal stories woven into the land. Discover the White Rabbit Gallery, the Australian National Maritime Museum, and the hidden layers most visitors walk straight past. 12 stops. Your Sydney. Your story. Travelers across 111 cities worldwide have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually feel Sydney, not just photograph it. Stories that bring the city's past and present to life, like listening to a knowledgeable friend who can't wait to share everything. Real discovery, real freedom. $6? 12 Sydney landmarks, 60,000 years of stories. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.